So our team was with Mariana Juárez and me, Rogelio Garduño, and the main objective was to make the phrase KBO with Morse code, and and it was with some signs that the professor gave us in class. So first we put the voice setup. That is the first thing to do always, with the pin modes and the outputs, and with the corresponding number of the color that we wanted in the LED. And then in the void loop we wrote the digital right, high and low. High is for the LED to be on, and of course the delay. It's how many seconds you want it to be on or off. Like low is for off, and the delay 1 second here, 3 seconds here on the high. And the most important thing is the number of the pin. That is the color. That is blue, green, or red. And it's those three colors because we are in the RGB pins. And here is the other parts. So it is the same code for KBO. That is for K is line, point, line, and then for B is line, point, 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 and then for O is 3 lines, line, line, line. And we decided that the lines were going to have the value of 3 seconds. The dots, the points, were going to have the value of 1 second, and the space between each of the letters would be 3 seconds as well. So we can see the words. So here we can see the first word that is in red, and it's saying the phrase KBO with these codes. And then it's going to be in green with the number. This was with number 11. Then it will be with number 12. Here is another code with the number 12. And here it has started, and when it finishes it will be with the color blue, and it's the same color. It's the same code, just that we had to change the numbers, the pin mode, the pin numbers, so that it could change of color, but it's exactly the same code for the phrase KBO.